All right, so we have a Powerhorse 27,000 watt generator. I got this from Northern Tools. This is a great generator for backup power for hurricanes or whenever your power goes out. 27,000 watts is enough to maybe power your whole house and maybe one AC. So here's the drain bolt right here. We just took it out from right there. Right now we're draining the oil. You can fill the oil on two sides. One of them is right here and the other one is right over here. And then here's your dipstick right there.